Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Place value.
What does the dictionary say?
The value of the place, or position, of a digit in a number or series.
Math rap.
Place value distinguishes digits from all the others hanging out before and after a decimal. It's the value of where a digit is in number. There's tens, hundreds, many categories they fall under.
Math rap.
Decimals don't place blame, they place value. Explain place value in your own words. Place values are almost like rank. Research and list the rank order of soldiers in the army. Write down the number 5125.325. Circle and label at least 3 different place values. Example 1, tens, hundreds, thousands, tenths, hundredths. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!